this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And guys, today I am so super excited. Happy New Year. I'm happy to be back on the channel. I've missed you guys so much. And today I am super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you all a new sofa that I have received. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm so super excited to share this item with you. So if you're interested in seeing the item and what I'll be doing, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I pulled up to my house to find this box in the garage. I was super excited. My husband was taking out this beautiful Valencia top grain artisan leather sofa. It is absolutely gorgeous. I was so super excited to see it. I could not wait to take a sneak peek. It is going to be so beautiful in my space. And the quality is impeccable. The leather is so soft and just luxurious. It is gorgeous. So after I glanced at it here in the garage, we did bring it into the house. And now we have the sofa in our master bedroom, and we need to get the legs out to put them on the bottom. So we have the sofa propped up on the side, and they had the legs to the sofa in the bottom of it with the little zipper there. So they also had this little instruction booklet. It was simple and easy. You just screw the legs right onto the sofa, and that's it. So as you can see, it is the perfect fit in my master bedroom. We have it at the foot of our bed. We have a king size bed, and like I said, it is just the perfect fit for our space. Again, the sofa is super soft, and I'm assuming it's going to be very durable. You know, leather is a material that can be very durable and versatile. So I think it's going to be perfect for our master bedroom. I cannot wait to watch some movies curled up on the sofa. So now, of course, it's time to style up the sofa. You know, I'm not going to leave it just plain and simple, even though it is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to add a couple of throw pillows on the sofa. And of course, you know that I'm going to cozy things up with a throw blanket. That's how I do. Now I think the look is complete. Well, then I decided to add an end table on this side of the sofa because I thought, you know, if I'm going to be sitting here, I may want to have a book. I may sit my glasses down. I may have a bottle of water. So I decided to grab this end table that I have used in the living room in the past, but it was just in my storage shed. So I grabbed it out and I'm going to put it here, and I think it is the perfect addition. Also, guys, Valencia sent me out one of their leather cleaning and conditioning kits. Now, we all know that leather is a natural material, so it does require a bit of maintenance so that it will keep its natural luster and beauty. So you want to make sure that you clean and condition your leather. So this cleaning kit includes a leather cleaner, the conditioner, a towel to wipe things off, and a little buffing brush there. So it is important that you use the right materials to clean your leather, whether it's a handbag, a sofa, or your seats in your car, however. So you just want to make sure that you have the proper items to keep your leather looking its best and lasting as long as possible. Okay, so now it's evening. It's finally time to settle down, and In the afternoons, I like to watch a little bit of television, maybe some game shows, but also I like to catch up on a little reading. So I thought I'd sit here and watch a little television, catch up on a bit of reading while I relax. I'm so excited to have this sofa in my room, guys. It's a game changer, so I don't have to sit on the bed. I have another sitting space, so this is perfect for me and my family. If you're interested in this Valencia Artisan leather 3-seater sofa, be sure to check my description box down below for all of the details. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, it does help when you leave comments, so be sure to leave a comment down below. Just let me know what you think about this beautiful Valencia sofa. And let me say a huge thank you so much to Valencia for sending out this beautiful sofa. If you guys want more details, then be sure to check my description box down below. Alrighty, again, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.